Are you manually entering all your invoices into Xero? Don't worry. Today, we're going to show you a super easy way to import all those invoices in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, let's head over to Xero. Once you're logged in, find the Business tab on the top menu and click on Sales Overview. This page gives you a glimpse of your sales transactions, including those unpaid invoices we're going to tackle. Now, we need a tool to simplify our task. Click on the waffle icon, often called the waffle iron menu, at the top right corner and select Find More Apps. This takes you to the Xero App Store, a place where you can find tons of useful add-ons for your Xero account. In the search bar, type SaasAnt Transactions. Click on the SaasAnt Transactions app to open its details. Here, you'll find a Get This App button. Click on it to integrate SaasAnt Transactions with your Xero account. Once connected, SaasAnt Transactions will provide a CSV template for importing your invoices. Download this template. It's a spreadsheet designed to organize your invoice data correctly. Open the downloaded CSV template and start entering your invoice details. Make sure to keep the original column headings as they are. Fill in the invoice data carefully to avoid any errors during the import process. After entering all the details, save the file in CSV format to ensure it's compatible with the SaasAnt Transactions import process. Back in SaasAnt Transactions, look for the option to select and upload the CSV file you've just saved. Choose Invoices as both the sheet type and entity type. After mapping the columns, validate the setup to ensure everything is correct. Review all details thoroughly. If everything looks good, proceed with the upload. SaasAnt Transactions will then present a summary of the import and highlight any transactions or entries that might need a second look. Review this information carefully to finalize the process. Here, SaasAnt Transactions identifies one error. While syncing 30 transactions, one transaction caused trouble. Let's fix it fast. It's because of the unit pricing missing. Luckily, SaasAnt Transactions doesn't leave us guessing. It points out exactly where the issue is. Now, all 30 transactions synced smoothly. To ensure everything is in order, check one of the response IDs in Xero, which will confirm the successful import of your contact. Now you've successfully imported your invoices into Xero using SaasAnt Transactions. Now you can manage your finances more efficiently and focus on growing your business. Got a quick tip for you today on SaasAnt Transactions that could save you a lot of headaches. Right here in SaasAnt, there's an Undo button. With just one click, you can reverse any transaction you've entered incorrectly. And there's more. After undoing, you can download the undo report to make sure everything you wanted to delete is gone. It's a perfect way to double-check and keep your records spotless. And there you have it. With SaasAnt Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.